What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're playing some more. I almost said Factorio. Factoria. Satisfactory. We're playing Satisfactory. That's what we're doing. Listen, don't. I don't need any judgments here today. Okay. All right. Hold on. I need to do a thing. Wait. That's not what I wanted. Give me just like. Can I actually like view from here though? Maybe if I go, there it is. Okay. Just checking my audio. Hold on. I'm checking all the things beforehand because I've had a couple blackout streams and I have had a couple streams where my audio is not great, and that is not something that I want to continue happening. So we're just gonna check and make sure we're good. Looks good, kind of. I'm running in circles. I'm running in circles. Things are not loading as I would like them to load. There it is, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I wish my mobile device had faster internet, but you know what? This is the life I live, I guess. All right. What were we doing last time? We were getting started with steel production, if I am not mistaken. So let's do this. Let's go out there and just check on it. Actually, you know what? No, I do not want to go off of that. I do not want to go off of that. Thank you. Thank you. We should have some supplies in here. Oh, wow. We have all the supplies. No, I did not want to drive the tractor. Driving the tractor is not what I wanted. Yes. I'm liking the looks of the supply department right now. Hold on. I don't want these in here. No, wait, what? No, I don't. No. Oh, these were not in the. Okay. It's fine. It's totally fine. 100% and completely fine. Don't even worry about it. We need to. Which one is this? Is this? I can never remember which one is which. Is this one? This one's leaves. We're gonna go ahead and throw the leaves in there. This one is wood, so we're gonna throw the wood in this one here. Yeah, that one there. Good wood. We got some good wood in there. Okay. And then this is coal. I don't particularly want to keep that on me, and mycelia I don't necessarily want on me either. I think everything else, I don't want this iron on me either. Everything else I think is good. And then I just want to go around and kind of collect the materials that we have around here so we can take them with us, just in case we discover that we need to build some stuff. So that's going to be a good thing. That's going to be what we do. And then we'll grab the last concrete factory on the way out. So we'll take all this concrete here, and we'll hop into the boingy machine. Boom. That was beautiful. Okay, we'll take all these. We will take probably all the plates, even though actually we have like 1,000 plates, so I think we're good there. But I'm just gonna take a couple more stacks just to be extra safe. We might as well. It doesn't hurt to bring them along since we have the inventory space for them. And then we'll grab some wires and stuff like that. Some cables is what they are. Alright, and I know I've been saying I was going to split up my streams and do different stuff, but I'm kind of just having a lot of fun playing Satisfactory, if I'm being totally honest. Every day that I get on a stream, I'm just like really excited to play. So, and that's kind of an awesome feeling. So I think I'm going to keep that going at least until I start to wind down on it a little bit, which I don't know how long that's going to take, and I hope it doesn't happen anytime soon because I really enjoy this game. And yeah, just to play something you love, you know what I mean? And I'm really actually loving this game, so I'm gonna keep that going. Hopefully it's not too terrible. I have a lot of activity on my network right now that's not necessarily for me. My son is playing Fortnite, and my wife is doing something on her phone, so hopefully the stream isn't too bad. I apologize if it's not great. I am working on trying to upgrade my network and stuff. I just gotta figure out certain financial situations first. But hopefully within the near future I will have my network upgraded and I won't have any more issues with streams being choppy or anything like that. I'm always working on trying to make stuff better. It's just a slow process, you know. Everything comes from my pocket, so it's just one of those things. It takes time for me to figure out how I'm gonna at least for like hard things like that, it takes some time for me to figure out where that's gonna come from and stuff, and I don't really pull anything in from doing this. I just do it for fun. Okay, let's go up here and go take a look at the steel production now that we've collected all the resources. We're gonna need steel to upgrade a lot of things, so that's kind of where we're at. We're going to need steel beams and pipes to get some of the upgrades in the tier 4 slot, or the tier 5, one of the two. And we are going to need a lot of steel production to get the next phase of the space elevator. That's kind of the big goal right now, is to move to the next phase, because I've gotten to steel production before, and I'm pretty much at the point where I've been previously, at least almost. I've had all of the tiers unlocked up to the point that I am currently. Previously, I get that doesn't actually make sense the way I said that. Excuse me, sorry. I'm having breathing issues today. I have unlocked all of the current tiers that we have in the past, so hopefully today we'll be able to unlock something new, even though it's going to take a little bit of wiggling for me to figure out how I'm going to get some of these things produced without overburdening my network or, you know, stuff like that. It's going to take some finagling, some little bit of finagling. It'll be totally fine though. It'll be great. I wish we could set up like a route, like a truck station route from over here. That would be really cool, but I kind of have my concerns about trying to set up some kind of automated route down this really shaky path. Like, it is a whole bunch of yikes and nopes up in here. So, although I feel like the autopilot would be a much better driver than I currently am, so it's one of those things. It's like a trade-off, right? Why is this yellow? That usually means that it's missing a resource of some kind. Oh my gosh, my game just got super duper choppy. Hold on. Yeah, why are you yellow? What is happening here? It's not extracting anything. Oh, there it goes, there it goes. Oh, maybe it was yellow because the pipe and the network were full? No, it's still yellow. What is up with that? The other one is green. What's wrong with this? Is it because the flow isn't maxed out or something? I think it's because it's full, actually. Hold on, let's look at the other one. We'll just take a look at this guy. Oh, this one's also yellow. Oh, but this one's oscillating between green and yellow. So I'm wondering if... Yeah, it's because this one's not full. That's why it's green. Okay. So when they're not full, when they're extracting water and pushing water through the pipes and they actually need to fill something, they go green. That makes sense. That was very, very confusing for just a second, but we're back on track. Okay. Hopefully we don't get jumped by some crazy spiders, but if we do, I got my BD stick, my big boy stick. Let's pick these up because I can always use berries. These are flowers, okay. Look at all this goodies over here. Over here, these goodies. Hopefully they're producing quite a bit of steel products for us. Yes, bruh. Yes, bro. Yes. Yes. Oh boy, I think we have enough to unlock the MK3s already, actually. Which is awesome. I did not think that was going to happen that fast. But I suppose we do have four different facilities going into one, or going into two. So we're really pumping out steel right now, which is amazing. Let's hop in this bad boy and see if we can't get back over there and start upgrading some stuff. If we can get MK3s going, we can get, or if we can get logistics MK3, I believe we'll be able to start working with minor MK2s and yeah, forgotten the name of them, the rails or the things that do the stuff. Hold on, now I can't do this without actually knowing now. Q. Logistics. Conveyors. Conveyor MK3s. Thank you. My brain is a foggy mess, you guys. I'm so sorry. Listen, I'm exhausted. Okay. This is my first day off in 5 days, and that doesn't sound like terrible when you say it out loud, right? Because most people work 5 days a week, but I only work 4 days a week, and I work anywhere from 10 to 14 hours a day. So this week I worked 5 days at about 12 hours a day. So yeah, it's been a week. It's Prime Week. Amazon loves me right now. They just really need people. So, you know, go work for Amazon and stuff. Make my routes easier, please. Dang it. It's kind of funny, like I work for Amazon as a delivery driver. And it's a great job. I actually really love it. But not only do I work for Amazon as a delivery driver, but I stream on Twitch, which is consequentially owned by Amazon. So in that way, I guess I also work for Amazon. It's a weird loop that the world goes in, isn't it? Moral of the story: I work for Amazon a lot, and spend your Prime points on Dozer. Alright, we're gonna get back over here and take a look, see if we cannot get ourselves. Why am I not able to go up this? Every time. Every ding dang old time I have to go like way over here and do this weird little maneuver. There we go. I wish I could destroy these rocks. That would be really great. Uh-oh. Oh no, please don't tell me we're stuck right now. Come on now. Come on now. Oh gosh. I'm gonna have to do an Austin Powers here. Oh no, please. Okay, here we go. Here we go. We're fine. This is fine. Totally good. Alright. We did that. Just like a professional. Alright, let's see if we cannot get this MK3 stuff unlocked. So, oh, that's right, we're gonna need this too. I think, in all honesty, I want I want these things unlocked first. The stackable pipeline support, conveyor lift MK3, conveyor belt MK3. The industrial storage container is amazing because it's got 2 inputs, 2 outputs, and it's got double the storage space. So that thing is awesome. And then we can get power storage as well. So if we're overproducing power, we're storing power, which is amazing. We really want this. So I think I'm just going to go with this first. This is the way. So, and it's also actually the cheapest, which is great.
Milestone reached.
Oh,
Logistics
gosh.
can be improved with a larger storage
I
container
wish
and enhanced conveyor belt efficiency.
Hold on a second, guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get my device to run my stream. Oh, here we go. Oh man, it did it for just a second, and now it's not. Okay, what were we doing? We were doing upgrades and stuff. Okay, so everything sounds pretty good. Actually, the volume on the game is a little bit high, isn't it? Let's fix that here. We'll just pull the master volume down a couple of notches. Perfect. And actually, I do want to check some other things as well, really quick. I'm sorry, guys. Hold on. I don't know what that means. Controls, mouse sensitivity, please. Oh, so good. Wait, apply changes, yes. Key bindings, user interface, HUD scaling, hotbar, hologram color, okay. Feedback strength. Don't care about that. Autosave intervals, let's increase that to like every 30 minutes or so. Or let's do 45 minutes actually. I don't want it doing every 5 minutes. Network quality. Let's see if high is going to be too much. Don't care about arachnophobia mode. Execute build step on release. Automatic clearance separation. Okay. Key bindings. Key bindings I'm going to keep the same. Gameplay. Head bobbing, no. Feedback strength, okay. Yeah, I think we're good here. So let's do that. Ah, no. Let's not do that. How about... Okay, I'm fine with whatever's happening right now. Oh boy, my mouse is ultra sensitive now. Is it more sensitive in the... It's more sensitive out here though, which is cool. Hopefully I can keep it fairly smooth. Why is this off? Why is everything off? Ooh. What? What just happened? Backup power, please. We're gonna do backup power. I think 3 should be fine for now. Hopefully that'll keep us in the juice. Let's go back over to the steel production area and just take a look over there and see what's going on with that. If we can, no, not drive off of the platform. preferably would be good. I don't like it. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna take these berries, and I'm actually gonna downgrade the. I don't personally have a problem with it, but it's making my camera jolt around a little bit, so we'll go to like 7 or so and see if. Wait, did that even do anything? Hold on. No, I did not set it. So let's go to 7.5 actually. Oh no. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, I think that's a little bit better. It's not as jolty for the camera view. All right, let's go over here and see what we can do to figure out the power situation. I'm not sure why it's kicking out low power. It definitely shouldn't be. Oh, I just destroyed that. That sucks. The barrel nuts, dude. I need all my barrel nuts. I need my nuts. I'm hoping that everything is still getting water and stuff. It's going to be a real bummer if it's not. I think the best route is to go up through here. I need to find like 100% the best route to take to get here. Oh, I think this is it actually. Yeah, this was like perfect. That way we can set up a truck station somewhere down there and have a tractor just kind of going back and forth to transport goods. Ugh, and I need to move these power lines out of the way. Which, let's be honest, is going to be a pain. Actually, maybe I won't even move the power lines out of the way. Maybe I'll make an actual road. I might as well just do that, huh? Just make like an actual road out of foundations that goes up to the top there in a lower grade than this, because this gradient is insane. I'm going to crash right into this power line, yeah. Oh my gosh, okay, hold on. We're turning. I wish I could adjust the sensitivity of the vehicle. I don't know if there's a thing for that, but that would be really nice. Ah, these do not have power. Why? Why are these not having power to them? That is my question. It was doing just fine before, and now it is not doing fine. Maybe I should split them up. Because there's how many coal generators? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5. So maybe I could just run 3 on one and 2 on another. Water extractor. 20 megawatts. Why is this on standby? Can I turn this thing on? It's not getting power. It's because the system is not powered up. Great. Okay, here's what we're going to have to do. Yeah, this is also on standby because it's not getting power. Here's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to disconnect this line here. Boop, like so. And we're gonna have to use this to kickstart the system. Hopefully. Kickstart. Capacity 375 megawatts. Max cons is 112. Let's kick this on. So the max consumption is, okay, so we're consuming 112, we have 405 megawatts. Why did the power kick off then? I don't understand. Is it some of these are not getting resources? Yeah, they're not all getting coal. Why are they not getting coal? Well, I mean, that would actually make sense because this coal, this miner over here was connected to all of this business. So Yeah, it's producing now. What we really need to do is swap this out for an MK2. Can I even build that? Oh, I don't have the minor MK2 yet. Yeah, we have the MK1. But what we can do is swap these out. So how much is this producing right now? This is producing 60 per minute. So what we can do is swap these out for MK3s, which is probably what we're going to start using exclusively. Why is this not in 3? Okay, and then we need to go back to power and assign this to hotkey 2. Let's see here if we can't replace some of these with the MK3 versions. Wait, why is this not getting power now? Oh my gosh, this is such a pain in my rear end right now. Okay, I think we actually have plenty of pipes. For now, I want this to be making steel beams, because we're going to need a lot of steel beams to replace a lot of the stuff. We're going to need it to replace a lot of the conveyors. Can I break this with this? No. I think we've already tried that. I don't know what I can do to break that boulder. If somebody knows, please tell me what I'm supposed to do to break that boulder, because I'm so confused about it, and it would be really nice to be able to mine that coal. Alright, let's replace all of this here. And I am, for the time being, going to cut power to here. So we'll cut power here. And then we'll kick this system back on. I don't know why it keeps kicking off, if it's like running out of water or what. Max consumption, or the capacity is 0. Why is the capacity 0? Okay, so this is having the product in it. It's running out of coal is the problem. I need these to be so much faster than they actually are, is what this is. I need this whole system to be a lot faster, is essentially where we're at, because we are running out of power. So this is all MK3s already. Yeah, this is all MK3s. This needs to be MK3. This needs to be MK3. This also. I need this distribution to be like fast AF. Because it's getting split like 6 ways, so it is producing 60 per minute, but it's not shipping 60 per minute, if that makes sense. At least that's what I'm believing is happening. That's good. This needs to be replaced, but I don't have the power for that yet. So what is this? Why is this here? Oh, heavy plates. Okay. Can I just like trash these leaves? I don't really need them. Yeah, take those. Okay, hopefully this pushes materials around faster, at least a little bit faster. It seems to be, so at least 2 of these are staying on now. We just need this to fill up all the way, and we should be golden. Let's see. I don't think we're even producing any more of this. Let's see if we can actually run this again. So we'll just do that and then connect that to here, and hopefully we will have the power to actually run this whole system again. Yeah, so we are able to run this again. We're not quite able to run the main base as of yet, but that's totally fine. We'll get there. We're just going to need to upgrade some systems here. Do we have pipeline MK2 at all? No, we don't. I don't even know if there is an MK2 for the pipelines. But I do know it's probably not a bad idea to split these up. So I'm thinking Well, I don't know actually, because they seem to be getting water all right. Like, that seems to be just fine. The water is pretty much consistently full. It's really the fuel part of it that's not working out so hot. Yeah, these are all full. So that's staying pretty even. What it really is we just need more coal for this system. I'm wondering if maybe like, cause so these foundries are making steel. How much do they need? So they're taking 45 coal per minute. 45, so 90 coal a minute for both of the foundries. And these are producing 60, so it's 120. What we could do is maybe try to branch off with one of these and see if we can just take the extra coal that's not necessary and use that. Let's do this. Let's kill that. We're gonna kill that, and we will put some of our stuff in here. So, oof, oof. Let's just put these items in here because we don't need those in our inventory. We'll take these. So all of this here. Dang. Yeah, this is getting backed up, and I don't want this getting backed up if I can help it. Oh gosh. Okay, I need to make my platforms more accessible. Okay, so we've gotten that. Let's go ahead and swap out for the industrial storage unit. And I think essentially what we're gonna do is add an industrial storage unit to this one track right here, and then we'll take one of the outputs from it and move it to a splitter that goes over there and connects with the rest of that. So we need these first though. So like I said, everything is going to be essentially steel from this point on. Like, we need a lot of steel. So I want this system to run more than anything else that we're creating. Is this going to actually like work though? I don't think it is. In fact, I'm pretty sure it's not. Did I even build this the right way around? I didn't even check where the inputs and outputs were. Okay, I did. But we're gonna need to rebuild these, so let's just... Can we make these MK3s? Is that gonna be acceptable? How much do we have? We have 23. So no, probably not. But what we can do is make this part MK2s, and that'll be fine for now. So let's do that, and then we'll take this down here and run it way the heck over here. Swoop. Swoopington. And then we can run this line all the way over here, and we'll put a splitter that's like somewhere right here. So let's do that for the moment. Let's see where we can put a splitter in. So this seems to be a relatively short run. So let's do that, and then we'll put a splitter in here. So conveyor splitter. This is going to... No. We need a merger. I don't know why I keep thinking I need a splitter. We need a merger. So we need this to flip around this way. I know the fuse is broken. Thank you. You're being so helpful right now, game. No. What? Okay, so that's gonna go there. That's gonna go there. And this is going to come down. I only have 3 of these. Yeah, there's no way that's happening. Okay. We'll use MK2s for this line here. It shouldn't be a big deal. Everything else is essentially MK3s. I'm just literally only doing this for supplementary coal. I just need this coal to like come around in here and do its thing. So now it looks like it should work. And we're gonna have to kick the system back on, unfortunately. I don't know if it's gonna break or not. Nope. Okay, so we've got coal coming in. This is gonna supplement the coal that we're needing, and the other one will be the main coal line, but this is gonna be a supplementary line, so it should help to even everything out. And we're producing the same resource in both of these foundries right now, so it's not really like it's a big deal to split up the coal from this system. I don't know why. I think I actually need to split this here. Right? Yeah, I'm probably going to need to split this. Hold on. I think that'll be better anyway because it'll give it half and half. So let's do conveyor splitter. And we just need the one single output here, or input here. Why is this not? Oh, I need cables. No, those are not cables. There's cables in here and I know it. Thank you. Give me the cables. Okay. Okay, we got the cables. It's totally fine. Listen, it's great. We need the splitter. Okay, so this can just go right here, I think. And we'll do, oh, that's not what I want to do. This here, boom. And this can go up here, like so. This is the input, so that can go there. I do not have enough steel beams for this. That is okay, I think. Let's just grab some from here. We have plenty. So this goes in here. And that's going to split the coal that we're producing. And it's super fast. Holy cow, look at how fast that is. That's insane. I love it. The MK3 conveyors are amazing. They're so fast. I think they move like 120 items. Oh no, 270. Wow, I was way off. Okay. Is this still not splitting evenly? It's not. Maybe we should have run a splitter off of this line. Let's try that. Yeah, let's do this here. If that's the case, then we're not going to need this whole system here. So we'll just connect to these, if it'll let me. There we go. Those are connected, and we can do a splitter in here. That might end up being a little bit more convenient. Let's see if we can line this up here. So we'll just go into there, go into here, here, and we can split it there. That's perfect. Can we put, yeah, the stacks of coal that we have in our inventory into this system's inventory? That'd be really good. In fact, we have a bunch of coal in here that I want to move. Yeah. Let's just put this back. That way it's got some coal to work with already. There, that's good. Alright, so that should be supplying coal to the generators now. Hopefully it's a pretty continuous stream. Yeah, we've got plenty of coal coming in. Methinks. Let's see. Yeah. So it's kind of moving here. I really need MK2s, if I'm being totally honest. Let's see. Yeah, these are all MK3s. Can I replace this whole thing? Yes, I can. That's going to be a thing that happens. 23 there, that's fine. We'll do this one too. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, it's so much faster. Alright. Power is always number one on my list. 100%. If you don't have power, you don't have production of any kind. So I will always take from production to add to power if need be. But it looks like we have a pretty continuous stream of coal coming in now. So these should always have a supply of coal. Yeah, these are starting to fill up again, which is great. Let's go to the last one here, because that one's probably going to be the one that is having the hardest time. So we are actively building more coal than we're removing from the system. And then once this backs up, the splitter will stop splitting it for the most part. Like, it'll only give it what it needs. So that should make it a little bit better. I could probably make this a little cleaner. I will have to like mess around and see if I can finagle this into being a cleaner solution. But for the time being, this is just going to be the way it is until we get the MK2s up and running. And we should still have a fair amount of production happening out of this system here. Yeah, it's still producing plenty, so I'm not too worried about it. And we have this one producing as well, which is great. Okay, so we've got plenty of resources coming in from that. I think we are good to hook up the rest of the network again, so let's do that. It goes from there to over. Wait, where does this connect to? To there? It connects to there. Alright. Cool. What is our max consumption now? Let's, oh geez, we need to kick this back on. Yeah, max consumption is 330. You can kick this off. That can go into standby mode. Yeah, so it's got plenty of coal now. And that coal is moving around rather rapidly. And now that we've gotten most of this stuff replaced with conveyor MK3s, we can set one of these up to do pipes again. Probably this one. I think this is the one that's receiving... Yeah. So this is the one that's receiving the split coal. So we'll take this one and make it do pipes. So this will do steel pipes now. Even though I think we have plenty of steel pipes, I just want to make sure we're still producing them because we are going to use them. So it just makes sense to have that happening. I wish I could see like what it's going to take to... Is there? No, there isn't. Okay. We're going to have to go back to the hub. Hopefully this continues to run properly on its own. I really wish I could access that other coal mine over there, but I can't. I don't know what to do to fix that. I'll have to do some research on it. But for the time, it should be alright. Should be okay. A-okay. Let's drive the tractor back over to the old homestead there. I think one of the next projects after we get the rest of our stuff unlocked is gonna be creating a transport system for all of these resources to get them back to where we need them automatically. I cannot get up that. That's totally fine. We'll just go this way maybe. Ugh. I do not want to fall off this. Oh god. Oh gosh. We're gonna bite the dust on this one, I can already tell. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna back it up here. Yep. And go back up. Yep. Go around the pole. Yeah, I think what we'll do is create a platform that goes all the way down from like over here on this ledge. And that'll just make it a little bit easier to drive up and down and create a shipping system. Because I really want to get into that. I haven't messed around with shipping products at all with the truck stations and stuff. So I kind of want to play with that and see how viable of an option that is. I think that'd be really cool if we can get that up and running. So we'll focus on that right after we get some of these bits unlocked. And can I fit in here? I really need to put like an actual platform in here. Ah, dang it. Come on now. There we go. Okay. So that's good. I wonder also, actually, I kind of want to check this just to see. Is there a... foundations? Are there like roads? Maybe architecture? There's a road barrier. That's kind of cool. Roofs. No, I just see foundations. I don't see any kind of roads. Asphalt foundation material. That's pretty cool. It would make things look like roads, I guess, which makes sense. 'Tis essentially roads. This is expensive. How many plates do we get? Oh, we get 100 of them for one ticket. That's actually really good. Okay, let's see what we need for advanced steel production. This will give us access to the stator, motor, automated wiring, encased industrial beams, and more importantly in my book, the miner MK2, because we really need that. So it produces 120 resources per minute. Instead of the base 60. So we just need a few rotors and some wire, which we have plenty of wire. We just need the rotors, really. So let's see if we can see how many rotors we're making. We got 25 here. So that's 118 in total. How many did we need? You'd think I'd remember this. I kind of want to get that slug up there, but I can't reach that. Advanced steel production. Let's see. We need 200, so we're just going to have to give it a minute to produce here. The wire we definitely have. That's not a problem. It probably would be a good idea to find another copper vein, though. I believe there are a few around here that are normal. Not impure though, hopefully. Okay, so that should be enough wire. We're just waiting for rotors, and I honestly don't want to wait, so I think what we'll do is see if we can't make ourselves some rotors. I just wanted to use that. There was no reason for me to run all the way over there. But, you know, whatever. That was fun. I like using my little jumpy pads. I should probably put another one over there. but they take power, so I don't always want to spend the power for it. Okay. Yeah, we just need a few more rotors, so let's see how many of these can we make currently? None. We cannot make any. Okay. We are going to need to make screws. A lot of screws. So I'm just going to let this kind of produce screws here. Oh, and I realize my overlay is not on. Well, while we're making screws, might as well turn that on, huh? Alright, now we got the overlay. Let's go. So we've got 8 rotors so far, 9 rotors. Well, we can make 9 or 10 now. Sorry if you guys hear me munching and crunching. I'm eating dinner currently. Unfortunately, on stream nights, I don't get. We eat dinner kind of late, so it happens at the same time as my streams, and I have to eat while I'm streaming. So we're at 20. We're gonna need more than that, though. Pretty soon here, once we get the MK2 miners up and running, it's gonna be time to do a little rework of some of the systems because they're not gonna keep up anymore, or it's gonna be overproducing and we're just gonna have like stuff sitting there, and that's not what I'm wanting. So how many do we need? We had 118, right? Let's see, 118. Yeah, so we need 82 rotors. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. Alright, let's check and see how many we have over here. Because we've definitely been producing some. 5. Okay. Okay. Ah! So now we need 77 rotors. Let's just make what we can, I guess. We can make 31 so far, so let's just make these. The problem is screws. I need to stop feeding my screws to the fix-it machine. Or maybe it's time to have 2 machines producing rotors. And that may be the thing. Because rotors are kind of slow to produce. Because you need rods, and you need screws, and you need rods to make screws. So you're like taking the rods and splitting them 3 times to make a rotor. And that just takes a lot of time and a lot of resources if you're compiling it all from one mine, which is what I'm doing right now. So having 2 mines contributing to that same function is probably going to be a good thing, honestly. Perfect. We've got 154 so far. And how much was our max? So I think our capacity is good, even without these. Capacity would be 435. Okay, let's take this out. 405. And let's cut this one off. It's going to bring us down to, I think, 370 something. Yeah, 375. We should have more than enough power for now. Soon enough here, we're going to have to add another coal generator in, and that's going to be a mess. But you know what? We'll figure it out. We'll get there. Yeah, if you see this, look, it's getting backed up here. where is the bottleneck for this? This is the bottleneck. The screws are actually the bottleneck. Wow. So we have 200 of the 5 iron rods that it needs. Maybe we should be splitting this twice and making 2 lanes for screws. I might have to finagle that a little bit here pretty soon because this production is just not up to the standard that I want it to be. But that's okay. We'll figure it out. We'll get there. Okay, so I think what we're gonna need to do is just kind of continue making stuff because we have 157 right now, and we need more screws. Wait, I have steel on me? Why? Hold on, I just want to make this really quick. There we go. So we need, let's see, 43 rotors now. So we're getting there. We're getting there. We just need 43 more rotors, and then we can do the next upgrade that we're wanting to do. And then it'll be hypertubes, which I'm actually kind of excited about because that's going to be fast personal transportation from where we're at now in our base to the steel production area. I don't know what kind of resources that takes because I have unlocked it, but I haven't even really looked at it. I haven't unlocked it in this world, but in my personal world that I was playing, I unlocked it. And I haven't even really looked at how, like, what the cost of it is. So we'll have to take a look at that and see if that's going to be a valid goal. Hopefully it is, because it would be nice to have a quick transport to and from, or at least safe transport to and from. You know what I mean? Like, it sucks running across, and taking the tractor is just so slow. I almost kind of feel like it's a little slower than running at certain points because you're going uphill, and when you go uphill, it just takes forever for that thing to reach any kind of speed. I don't think it even goes over 25 kilometers per hour, so it's just kind of a slow process there. This is a slow process. I was complaining about running and taking tractors, and this is so much worse. It's so much worse. It's fine, though. It's fine. We'll live. We'll get through it together and stuff. We're almost there anyway. We just need 13, 14 more. So, no biggie, just waiting on stuff. And then we can unlock our thing and do a rework of some of these systems so they run a little bit faster. I'm kind of worried a little bit about doing a rework, and I need to know how much power the MK2s take. That's gonna be something. $40, come on. Come on, we're so close. I just need 3 more. Go, I had to produce like almost 1,500 screws. Are you kidding me? Not almost 1,200 screws. 1,100, I guess. But still, there's a lot of screws, man. How many screws can one rotor hold? You know what I mean? Oh, here we go. We got it. Now we just have to actually produce the rotors, which is going to take time in itself. Louise. Jeez. We're so close. I think we're gonna end up with one left over, which is totally fine with me because we've been using rotors like it's nobody's business, and I think we're gonna need them for the trucking stations as well. So that's gonna be fun. Come on now. 7 more. We got this. We're going to do it. Here we go. There's 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200, baby. That's what I'm talking about. With one possible leftover. Okay. Select milestones. Let's go ahead and throw these in there. We're going to throw our rotors in there and this stuff and all that stuff. And we're golden. Press the big red button. Get this out of here. And let me take a look at this other milestone as well on that.
Logistics can be improved with a larger storage container, enhanced conveyor belt efficiency, as well as the ability to store excess power for later use.
Yes. That's a big one. Storing excess power is huge. I think we need a stator for that. So we'll have to work on it. But big ups on storing the excess power. Okay, so for hypertubes, we need encased industrial beams, copper sheets, which we have a lot of, and pipes. So we're actually pretty close to that. I'm wondering, hypertube entrance needs to be attached to power and enter a hypertube system. How much power does this take? It doesn't tell me. That's kind of a bummer. I want to know what the power level is on that, and I can't see from the phase 2. Okay. Okay, so we've gotten that out of the way. So let's take these and we'll do a little comparison here if we can. Let's go to production. We are going to go to miner MK2, which requires encased beams. Oh boy. Okay, the encased beams I think are just concrete and steel beams, if I'm not mistaken here. Let's see, I believe you can make them too, yeah. So it is just concrete and steel beams. So let's take a look at that. We're gonna produce a few of these here. I think like 10 or 12 should be all right, just to make one. We'll do 12 here. Okay, cool. We got 12 there. We're gonna need some of these portable miners, so let's make a few of those. Let's just make like, we're gonna make 2 for now because they each take up a single slot. Yeah, that's a bummer. Okay. Miner MK2. What is the power draw on this thing? Oh boy. Okay, I actually have to place this on a node. Okay, let's do this. Let's take this out. Let's take a look at this one. So this one is producing 30 per minute. It draws 5 megawatts, and then we can get rid of that, and we will replace it with an MK2. Boop boop. That's good. Very nice. And this is drawing, okay, so this is drawing over double the power, but it's producing double the product. So we're going to have to be a little sparing about the way we use the MK2s. And I think for now, what we'll do is replace this. And I guess we can just, let's get rid of this conveyor belt here. We'll replace this with an MK3, why not? Maybe that'll be better. I don't know. Actually, let's replace all of these with MK3s. Might as well. Can't hurt. There. This does not have power. Just a little bit of power is required. It's totally fine. Just do that. We're good. Okay. Let's see how fast this spits out of here. Do I have, we have heavy plates on us. We might actually instead do MK2s. And, yeah, Let's do that actually, because this is, yeah, it's way too fast. It doesn't need to be that fast. This is just a waste of steel beams. Let's do MK2s for these. That should be, yeah, good for keeping up with this system. Yeah. Yeah. Is this taking in faster than it's producing? It is not. Well, almost. There's only a teeny tiny bit of downtime, and I think that's just because of the routing and the fact that this is only producing 30 per minute. How much does this take per minute? I think it's 45, right? Yeah, 45 per minute. So this is never going to keep up with this system anyway. That's kind of the downfall of that one, but that's totally fine. Let's hop back in here. Actually, hold on. We need to know for sure. Minor MK2s. Yeah, so we should be fine. I don't think we're gonna really need anything else. We do not actually need to take as much concrete with us as possible because we're probably gonna be making a few encased steel beams. So let's do that. Oh, it looks like we got a new viewer. Welcome, man. Welcome, friend. Hope you enjoy the stream. Feel free to throw some chatty chats and stuff. Okay. Let's do this. How full is our inventory currently? That's fine. Totally fine. Alright, we're going to take these plates. And we're going to hop on the tractor. And hopefully turn this around without flipping it. It'd be really great. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. We can just sneak by this. Yep. Sneak by this guy here. Go over here. We'll stop right here and grab the rest of the concrete from this production facility. And then we will head over to the steel mills. Whoop. Ugh. It's not a lot of concrete. It's fine. Okay. Let's get the heck out of here and go take a look at the steel production site. See what we can do to upgrade that, because we are definitely going to need speed on that one. And now that we have the minor MK2s, we'll be more capable of keeping up with our systems over there. We're going to eventually need to replace all of the miners with MK2s and just kind of generally upgrade those systems, but for now I'm fine with just trying to get steel production completely hashed out and make sure that our power supply is doing quite well. That's a lot. Those are, what is that, 3 nodes over there? Oh wow. We're gonna have to go check those out. That might be another iron production facility just waiting to be had right there. I think it's around here, so let's go around this bend and just get the heck over this hill. Try to get down to our facility without crashing and burning here. Very good. Very good. Okay, here comes the really sketchy part. The sketchiest of all the parts. Oh gosh. So, it is so shaky over here. Okay, wait. No, please don't crash. Thank you. Going around. We're doing fine. This is great. I'm not even accelerating, and it's just going faster and faster. Every time I go down this hill, it's terrifying. We really, really need to fix this. Okay. Yikes, 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 yikes. Oh, that's scary. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. I might actually cry a little bit. Oh, God. Okay. This is fine. This is fine. Just turn around. Turn this way. There we go. Okay, we got this. We got this. Can I get some headlights going here? Or were my headlights already on? What is this? Why do I not have headlights? Headlights? No? Okay. It's fine, I guess. I don't need headlights. Alright, we have made it. We're doing good. I wish there was a brake button, right? Like, why is there no brake? You just either accelerate backwards or accelerate forwards. I don't know what we can do to fix that. Anyway, let's go ahead and I think the first thing I want to do is just replace this one over here so it's running a bit faster. Yeah, that's going to be a good idea. So let's do that. Let's kill this. Boop. That's good. And then we can put an MK2 in here. So let's do MK2. We'll flip this bad boy around. And that takes forever. Okay. Very good. And we'll just get rid of this. Do the MK3 here. Reconnect that. And boom. We're good. We just need power. Power goes somewhere around here. Right there. Power. Bingo, bango, bongo. Alright, so this should be producing quite a bit faster. Yeah, this is producing at 120, so double the amount. And the MK3s are moving products at 270 per minute. So this is going to be more than capable of keeping up with what we're trying to do. Methinks. Yeah, it's already backing up. So what we can do is actually disconnect this entire system over here now. So we do not need this to function anymore. What we'll do is come back up here and disconnect this at the split. So we'll do this. We'll do splitter, disconnect that, and then we will just we can get rid of that now. Oh, jeez. And we will connect these two again. So that's good. Now that's going to be running at full capacity again. These are all MK1s, which needs to be improved. But I'm wondering how fast is this producing? Because it looks like, yeah, it's taking in way more than it needs. Of both resources, actually. But that's not going to be the case for very long. So what are we running at? So we need 45 per minute of both iron and coal, right? And if we upgrade these to MK2s, they'll be producing 120 per minute. And the iron is producing, I think they're 60 per minute. Let's go over there and look. We're gonna have to take a look-see. Unfortunately, these are all MK1 conveyor belts, so they're a little bit slow. Oh no, we got spiders. That's definitely a spider, isn't it? Where is it? Where is it? I swear I heard a spider. Okay, well, you know what? I'm just gonna let that go and hope it doesn't come back. The spiders creep me out, man. They freak me out. It's not even like, it's not even an arachnophobia thing. It's like spiders are hella creepy in this game thing. Like just specifically this game. Okay, so what is this? This is running at 120 per minute because it's on a pure vein. So, okay, 120 per minute split two ways. That's 60 per minute. So they're actually running a little bit more efficient than they need to. I think 45 per minute more than what's necessary. In fact, we should probably have a backup in these, right? Yeah, we have a backup of products in these. Okay, but one more is not going to work the way I want it to. So maybe what we do is make this an MK2 as well. That's actually not a bad idea. So I think if we put an MK2 on that, it'll run at 240 instead of 120. And that's, let's see, how many ways can we split 240? In 45, in increments of 45. So two of them would be 90, 180. So that's 4 ways. 180, 25, right? 225. So we could potentially put 5 machines in here that utilize iron. Hopefully my math is good. It might not be. So 5 machines. And if we have 2 of these, because this is only running at, what is this running at? This is running at 60 per minute, so that'll probably run at 120 with an MK2 on it. If we have both of these running at MK2s, it's going to be 240. So it'll have the same production rate as the other bit. So that would be the same, about 5. Yeah, 5 would be the amount that we could run. We are going to need more encased industrial beams. For sure. So I think we'll need like 20 of these encased industrial beams. And then we're going to need 4. Actually, we only need 2 more of the portable miners because we're going to get 1 back for removing the MK1. So let's say 45 encased beams and 2 of the miners, which we already have 1, so just 1 of those. And we should be good to upgrade all of the mining facilities in this area to be pretty even. Oh no, because we need 3 of them. So 3 of the portable miners and I think like 60 encased beams. Let's just get the 1 out of the way first, and we'll see where that leaves us. How about that? So that's good. We need special. No. We need equipment workshop. We'll just put that in like right here. Why not? This is not even with the ground at all. It's totally fine. So let's make we'll just make 2 of them. So we have all the, we have all the portable miners that we need. And then we can go back up here and set up the new miner. So I want to get the iron production set up first so that we have more than enough iron coming in. And then we can set up everything else. We'll kind of shift things around. These are going to have to be upgraded to MK3s. So they're pushing 270 per minute. Actually, that split 4 ways currently. Well, no, it's going to be split 5 ways. So if it's split 5 ways, we need each of them to run math, not working brain today. Let's just pull out our calculator. Okay, calculator, 240 divided by 5. 48 per minute. So we need MK2s for all of those, is essentially where we're at. So MK2 conveyors and an MK2 miner. Let's take this down. And we will replace that with an MK2 miner. Boom. Gonna have to flip this bad boy around. Bad boy. There's that. Okay. Good there. We just need to slap this back into place. We can just, I think, make this an MK3, right? Yeah, we have the materials for that, so that's not a big deal. We will add power to the system. Is it that power line right there? Yes. Okay, so that's good. We got power running to it. It is, yep, producing 240 per minute. So that's just incredibly fast. Let's see how fast this thing spits out materials. I think we're gonna need MK3s up to the split. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at all that sweet, sweet iron. Yeah, we're gonna need MK3s up to the split right there. So, and are all of these MK2s? That is the question. Hold on, let's go to logistics here. Conveyors, MK2. No, they are not. So these are gonna need to be MK2s all the way up. So let's see. This one probably that's an MK2 already. This needs to be an MK2. This needs to be an MK2. This is an MK2 already. Okay, that's good. This is gonna need to be an MK2. This one is already. This one is already. This one needs to be upgraded. And this one is already as well. Okay. So I think this rail right here might also need to be an MK3, but for now this is fine. And then actually, are these MK2s? Is my other question. No, they're not. Ooh, that's going to be mighty expensive. Yeah, we got to do it. We got to do it. These need to be MK2s. They have to be. Otherwise, the system is just not going to be fast enough. Yeah, that's good. We'll replace these here. I don't think I'm going to have enough of these plates, if I'm being honest. But we have plenty of materials here. We can make heavy plates if we need to. It's going to be a pain, but I think it'll be better than running all the way back. Yeah, that's 27. Holy cow. This is expensive. I almost want to just use MK3s for this whole thing. Just because, like, I have automated steel production right here, might as well, you know what I mean? Even if it's faster than it needs to be, it's almost better that way. These are MK1s, all of these. These need to be upgraded. Okay, let's see here. So this is creating pipes, and I don't actually want this to create pipes anymore. I'm gonna have this creating beams now, because we're gonna need a lot of beams, and we have plenty of pipes in there. I mean, I've got almost 1,000 pipes. Here we go. Okay, so that's good. We can actually probably replace most of this stuff with MK3s, which is kind of what I want. So we'll just replace these bits here with MK3s. Replace this one here. This already an MK3? No. This is an MK2 as it stands, I believe. Can I, like, actually see in here, please? Oh my gosh. Hold on. Oh, come on. It's like flashes for just the most... come on, come on, come on. Why? Why are you doing this to me? Okay. Wait, we'll take the ladder up. And maybe we can actually see it from here. Just drop right on top of it. Oh, come on. Right there. There we go. Okay, we'll replace this one. It's a little easier because there's a little bit more room. We'll do that one there. This one here. Is this an MK3? It is not. So let's make that an MK3 also. I'm just going to go through and replace all of these conveyor rails first. That way, yeah, that way we should be golden. So this needs to be an MK3. That is already. This one can go. This one can go. There we go. So these are good. Is this one good? That needs to be a 3. This needs to be a 3. This is already a 3. That one needs to be a 3. Okay, we need this one. And I wish I could stop getting stuck on my conveyors. There we go. This doesn't actually need to be here anymore at all, so we can take that down completely. And I think this was... no, this is an MK1. Oh no, this is an MK3 right here. So yeah, we'll get the steel beams back for that. Because we do not need this to be the way it is currently. That was just a temporary solution. But now that we've got the minor MK2 on there, look, it's like absolutely stacked up with coal, so we don't even have to worry about it. There. It's going to be so much faster now. Okay, cool. Cool. That's good. Let's see. May as well replace this, and we'll replace this, and that, and that. And all of these are good? Yep, these are all good, all the way up to the base here. So we just need to run this all the way back, basically. This is already like mega running faster. So yeah, we'll make all of these MK3s as well. Boom. Just do this one here. Oh my gosh, dude. It's like impossible when I'm walking on top of them. There we go. Get that one. That's good. Yeah, I think that's pretty much where I'm at. I'm just going to make all of this MK3s. It's going to cost a lot in steel, but it's just going to be better in the long run. That way we don't have to come back and upgrade it later. Because eventually I'm going to need to upgrade this again to the MK3s anyway. So there's no point in making it a perfectly even system. That's never going to happen anyway, just because of the way the math works out. Like 240 in comparison to 45 items per minute is just never going to work out evenly. So it's honestly not really even relevant. Let's see. Yep, this got steel beams in it. I did not want all of these. Put those back. I do want all of these though. So we got another 111 there. Okay, so let's just do the rest of these here. Those are good. We need that one. We need this one here. This one here, that should be good. These don't need to be done because they've already been done. This one, this one. We are not going to have enough. Dang it. So close. Okay. That's fine. At least these are much faster as it stands, so that's cool. Okay. Why are these not getting the production that they need? It's so weird that this one is getting everything it needs, but this other one is not. Is that just because this is using more materials? Hold on, this is using 45 per minute of each. And that's using 45 per minute. Yeah, I see no reason why these should not be the same. This is using 60 steel per minute. What is this using? 60 per minute as well. They're the same, I should have known that. Okay. I really think it's just because we actually need to replace the rest of those with MK3s is like basically what I'm thinking there. So, yeah. Let's just take all of the steel beams that we can get here. Are these full? These are completely full, okay. Oh, actually, I have some steel in my inventory that I want to get rid of. Pretty sure. Yeah, I have a little bit here. Just put all that in there. Yeah, these are still running behind. We can put the coal in. I guess this one doesn't really matter, honestly. Either one is fine. Okay. I also actually am kind of thinking of something else that we could be doing that's going to be helpful. Yeah, it's just going to reduce... It's not going to reduce the amount of lanes that we have, but it's going to reduce the amount of splits that we have. So... I think, actually, technically it's going to reduce the amount of splits that we have, because it's going to reduce the amount of splitters that we need, but it's still going to be the same. Yeah, but we'll only need 2, so hopefully... it'll be alright, we'll figure it out. Okay. So this is MK3s now. These are going to need to all be MK3s. Boom, boom, boom. Getting the business. Let's go. Pushing these materials, bruh. Materials. Go in. And then this one needs to be an MK3 as well. And that should be everything replaced with the proper, lines. So that's good. It's still not as quick as I want it to be, just like overall. So another thing that I'm thinking we can do, just to make this a little bit cleaner and a little bit better, is industrial storage containers. So instead of having 4 regular storage containers, we can have 2 industrial storage containers. That's going to require us to move a lot of these things out of the way, but it should be all good. Not too big of a deal. We could even probably do a similar thing with this. Just have like, well, no, because we would still have to have 1 splitter, but that would remove the need for 3 different splitters. I'm gonna have to think on that one for a minute, but I'm thinking like if we do 2 industrial storage containers, 1 to take 2 of these and 1 to take 3 of them, then we just need 1 splitter to make that work, and that's going to be a lot better than running 3 different splitters. I don't know though 100% if that's going to be more efficient or not. I have to actually test it out. It seems like the splitters just kind of make everything a little bit slower, but it could be that the industrial storage containers end up doing the same thing. Like, I really just don't know. Okay, we are actually going to need these pipes. Perfect. So these were not useless after all. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. Yeah, let's go back up here. We're going to plan out these industrial storage containers. We're going to have to build a bunch of storage containers just kind of on the side to hold stuff for us for a minute. But it shouldn't be too bad. What we'll end up doing, I think, is just shifting a couple things around here. So let's put like 2 regular storage containers over here. So we'll just, I don't know, put those wherever. This is totally fine. Yep, that's fine. Perfect. And we can use one of these to put a bunch of items that we are not needing on us currently. So we can put these things in here. What is this, a beacon? Yeah, we don't need a beacon on us. I don't believe we're going to need modular frames. We don't need screws either. Okay. So the industrial storage container, what we can do, I think what we'll do is just replace every other one. So like we'll take this one out and this one out. That's good. Oh, we're gonna need to put some more stuff in the storages here. That's fine. Let's just put all these in here. And we'll put all of this in here. I need to do something with this iron, but I'm lazy and don't want to do that. We'll take that back. We will replace this container with an industrial storage container. So we'll just flip that bad boy around like this. And this one will essentially keep the same. So we'll just remove this here. Do an MK3 and connect it to this rail. So that goes like that. This goes in here. And then this one will connect to this rail here. So we'll take that up there and connect it down here. Like so. And then that eliminates the need for this split right here. Potentially, right? Or does it not? No, it doesn't. It does eliminate the need for extra storage containers though. So I think it's still a good idea either way. Like either way you look at it. Yeah, because we're going to need... Okay, so that goes in there. It might even actually reduce the amount of... Oh, okay. I just fell off. That's fine. I totally wanted to swim all the way back to shore and then run up there again. No worries. No worries. Just running back to the top. Totally fine. Everything you ever wanted in life. Alright. Now that we're back up here and I've officially wasted unnecessary time, let's go over here. Take a look. Let's jump this again. Yeah, so we have this split right here that we could send into this top story. Might even be able to... No, because we need 3. Yeah. But it does reduce... So it reduces the need for these by 1, I guess. So if we could take, like, this container here out. And this one here. And we'll just put some of these resources that we picked up in this container here. So put those in there. We could put these inside of this storage container here. That's good, yep. So that's going to be shipping plenty of resources down. Is it? It is loading the top as well. Okay. And then we'll just take all this and, I don't know, throw it. Can I throw it in this one up here? I can put some of it in here. That'll at least get... Nope, it's not going to get rid of this top container quite yet. I thought this one can put anything in here. We can do this. And we can put the rest of this in here. Take this out of there and put it into this industrial storage container, and that'll be better there. And then we can take the rest of this out and throw it in here as well. So we'll put the ore in there. And we will put the rest in here. Perfect. And then we just need to replace this with an industrial storage container. So basically in the same exact spot. Perfect there. We will delete these 2 lanes. So we'll remove this lane. We'll remove this lane. And now this container is going to run both of these lanes. So we'll have this one go over here. And we'll have this one go over to here. No, come on. Jeez. Why am I having such a hard time connecting things today? There we go. And then we just need to go around the back here. If I can do this without falling off. We can get rid of that. And that. And in that. And we can actually... maybe... No, I think it'll be best to run it off of this one here. So this will go right into there. There we go. That's all 4 lanes re-split, and now we have one less splitter that we have to worry about. So we actually reduced the need for splitters quite a bit, which is good. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's great. Let's take all of this and just move it over. So we'll just swoop that into there. Take all that. Swoop that into there. Perfect. Very good. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. And now these are actually filling up quite rapidly. This is great. Alright. I like it. I like it a lot. I will take my resources back, though. Yes, 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 yes. The iron, I'm going to have to figure out what to do with that iron, but we'll get there. We'll get there in the end. Yeah, these are completely stacked now. This is awesome. Okay, and let's just make sure that we're not having any bottlenecks anywhere. I mean, we are having a bottleneck. This is too fast now. Yes. Oh, yeah, I like to see the resources at a standstill. That is amazing. So now what we can do is put in a new... foundry and stuff, methinks. Take all those. Yeah, I think we can add another foundry in. Because these are taking, what are these taking? 45 per minute of each. We're running 240 per minute across these lines, essentially. Well, no, we're not running 240. We are running... I don't remember the math. Math. Darn you, math. Hold on. 240 divided by 4 lanes. So we're running 60 per minute across these lanes. Yeah, let's do a little bit of reworking here. Let's see. Production, foundry. If I could run just like 3 foundries, that would be pretty sweet. So this is the exit here. Oh dang, I'm gonna have to... Okay, I'm gonna have to jumble things around a little bit. We might actually just want to take out this entire platform for a second. Yeah, I think that's gonna be what I do. So let's do this. Let's take that out. We will take this out. Essentially just store all the coal in here. Coal goes in there. I'm gonna want this to run into the industrial storage container, so we'll take that out. Take this MK2 out. Coal goes in here. Oh yeah, we got a lot of coal stacked up in these containers. Let's just see if we can't move all of this into the industrial storage container here. Let's do that. That's good. Dang, I need to like move some items around. Hold on. We're gonna do this. Put that's full. I don't even know why I was trying to put stuff in there. Okay, this one's not. This is good. Put the screws in there. We need the miners. I don't know. I think that's fine for now. I just want a little bit more space in my inventory so we can move more coal at one time. Okay, so we can take all that. Take all that. That's good. We'll put all this into the industrial storage container here. So boop that in there. This one is going to go to the bottom because it's the closer one, and then this one's going to go to the top. So it'll kind of like freeway over this. Boom, boom. So that eliminates the need to have two separate storage containers, and therefore we just need less splitting to be done like manually like that. So that's good. That's going to have two outputs. Let's take this out and this, and we will put all these in here. That actually wasn't a whole lot. Okay, now we just need to kind of rework this system here. So let's take all of this down. This is going to go back quite a ways, isn't it? Yeah, it is. It's fine. It's not a big deal. So I do not want to. Well, maybe I should cut these back all the way back there. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's going to be okay. This is probably going to be the best option, is to just move stuff around. We'll put in another storage container really quick just so we can have some storage over here to just slap these resources that are dropping all over the ground into. Let's take those. Take those. Why it was dropping these on the ground when I had storage slots, I'll never know. I have no idea, but you know, whatever, it's totally fine. Okay. So that's good. Now we just need to, I feel like this is too loud. Hold on. We're just gonna reduce the sound a little bit there. Okay. I kind of want these to run out before I take them down. But what we can do, because I'm probably going to keep those in the same spot actually. And I'm just going to add foundries onto this like so. So I'm thinking, okay, so 3 foundries at 45 items per minute is going to be what? Somebody do that math for me. Just kidding. I'll do it. Times 3. 135 items per minute. We still have room to spare. If we were to do 4 times, oops, wait, hold on, 45, that's 180. I think the math worked out to 5, but I don't know if I need 5 foundries. What am I saying? I need 5 foundries. I need all the foundries. What? Somebody slapped me. Okay. We're gonna need to move this storage container out of the way. I did a stupid here. We'll just put that way over here. And we'll go ahead and throw some of this rando stuff in here. I'm probably gonna need these actually. Okay, let's take all of this. We'll move it over to this storage container. So that's, nope, that is not what I wanted. I did a dumb thing. We need these, we need those. I don't think I need the rods right now. I'm just gonna leave those in there. We'll delete this, that's deleted. And we'll put another foundry on this side. So foundry goes here, maybe? If it'll, is it not gonna, wait, what? Do I not have, oh, I'm missing rotors. Oh no. Ah, darn it. Okay, I'm just gonna be stuck with the 3 for now, I guess, because I am not making more rotors at this moment in time, and I'm not going all the way back right now. So, okay, let's see. I think what we can do, I think what we can do is do this. this one here. Man, I really want this to be 3 or 4 foundries at the very least. Kind of sucks that they're not 4 foundries. Okay. You know what? It's fine though. We're gonna work with what we've got, and we'll go from there. So there's 2 of the connections, and then this one I'll probably just merge over here on this boundary. So it's kind of a waste, but it doesn't really matter at this moment in time. So let's do a merger. We'll merge this here. This will be an MK3, so that's going to go into there. And this is going to come, let's see, around here. So this one, we'll push this out to here. That will go into the left-hand side. And then this input is going to come around yet again. So this one will go about there. And that'll move into here. Ah, no. Dang it. That is not what I wanted. Stop. Stop it. Okay, let's try that again. This one goes here into here. There. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's good. Alright, that's totally fine. Now we just need to get these together. So, let's see. I think what we can do is just have one going into here. That's going to be straight up. No problems there. We're going to need another one going into these 2 here. I kind of want to put a splitter like in the air up here somewhere. So let's see. Maybe actually if we put it right here. So let's go to foundations. We'll do a 4-meter foundation probably at the top of this right here. Yeah, that should be fine. And then we'll put a splitter up there at the top. So let's do logistics. We'll go splitter, conveyor splitter, and stack that. I don't know. It doesn't really matter all that much. We just need this entrance to be on that side. There we go. And then we can get rid of this. We'll connect the splitter via this line here. And then one will go into that foundry and the other will go into the other foundry. So that'll go here. And this one will go there. Perfect. Now we've got plenty of resources coming into all 3 of these foundries, and we can connect this up with some power. I don't think we have enough power slots on this, yeah. And we're actually going to have to move this line over a little bit, so let's get rid of that. We'll put it in, I don't know, like right here probably is good. Connect that up, so that connects to here. I actually want this to connect to this foundry and this foundry here, and then this can connect to another one on the other side that'll connect to these. So this is one that can take a connection. That one can also take a connection. Actually, you know what? Let's just do it this way. Let's no, we're gonna need another one. Hold on. We're gonna do it like this. So that'll connect there. This can connect to here. That's going to be 4 of 4. And then this one can connect to the 3rd foundry right there. And what is our power consumption now is the question. So we're at a max consumption of 294 megawatts. 326 megawatts. Yeah. Yep. We have a capacity of 375. Wait. Capacity of 375. We're currently at 344 as our max consumption. 360? That's not good. Oh, we are not even going to be able to add another constructor, are we? Because what we're at 360 now, how much do these take? Well, they only take 4 megawatts, so I think we can add another constructor and just have that make pipes, I guess, for now. But we're going to need that situation to change here in just a minute, so I guess what we'll do is just put this constructor right here. Yeah, I can go there. We'll have a storage container here. Why can I not? Oh, I don't have the rods for this. Need more rods. Okay, let's grab some rods out of this container here. Yeah, that'll be fine. We're going to go back over here and add another buffer in. So I could probably actually combine these a little bit, but we'll worry about that once we have everything up and running. I'm going to have to rework power again. It's fine. It's not a big deal. Okay. So that goes in there. This foundry is going to output here. What? Oh, steel. Yes. Please make steel. Thank you. Very good. Okay, and then this I'm going to have making pipes. And we will have a storage container here. So that goes there. MK3 here, and we're perfect. So we've got another system making some more steel products. Okay, now I know we're gonna start using encased steel beams. What else are we gonna need? Because I kind of want to start working on power storage, which means that we're gonna need stators. And stators, what do stators require? This is the question. Let's go over here to the workbench real quick and take a look at that. So stators. Ah, here we go, stators. These require copper wire and pipes. Oh no. Oh, that's not good. Oh boy. Okay. Well, the pipes we definitely have. That's not a problem. So we're good there. Oh boy. Okay. And I don't believe we have any copper veins around here. So let's take a look. Copper ore. There's one 337 meters that way, 320 meters that way. Wait, is this another iron deposit over here? No, it's not. Okay. Oh boy. 870, 265. So that's going to be up there. Okay. I think our next move, realistically speaking, is going to be probably getting another coal generator up and running. And beyond that, getting transport up and running. Let's see what it's going to cost to have a truck station. Either send or receive resources to vehicles, has an inventory with 48 slots, transfers up to 120 stacks per minute to and from docked vehicles. Always refuels vehicles if it has access to a matching fuel type. So we can have the one in our base do the refueling. That's not a problem. And this one here will just insert resources. So this will be the resource station, and the other one will be a drop off. So we're going to need rotors. But again, I think first we're going to need to set up another coal generator. Yikes. That's going to be interesting. Okay. How much do these produce again? These produce 75 megawatts. Well, let's do the thing. So I guess the best place to start is at the beginning, right? Oh, we need rotors. Dang. Okay, let's see. Maybe we can just make some rotors really quick. Such a pain. Okay. What resources do we have available here? We got plenty of plates and wire. Oh, we got screws in here actually. I will take those. Yeah. I will take these screws. And we don't have screws in here, but we do have some iron ore in here. That can probably go back in the storage containers up at the top. Yeah, this is way too fast for these foundries to keep up. We need more foundries, um, which is fine with me because the more steel products I can produce in a short amount of time, the better. Why is this guy up on my conveyor rails, sir? I'm gonna need you to like get your butt off my stuff. This is my land. Get. Okay, it's not getting fast enough. I just come here. Stop running. Ah, because it's up there, I can't get it. Fine. You live for now, but get off my stuff. Get off my lawn, man. All right. Let's just throw. Yeah, let's throw this in here. I believe we have these two over here that we can use. Let's see. Yeah, okay. And I don't believe any of these have any screws in them. It's all just literally iron. Yeah, iron. What is this? Nothing. Iron. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, let's go back down. We're just gonna build as many rotors as we can right now, which kind of sucks because it takes a minute, but it's totally fine. Whew, it's nice running across these. I might make a walkway out of those. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna throw screws together. So we're definitely gonna need motors as well soon. I don't know what for, but I know we're gonna need them. There's literally nothing in this game that I have seen show up on the production table that does not get used in some way. Modular frames are not the most useful thing in the world, but they're definitely useful. Dang, we can make a lot of stators right now. They're really not that expensive when you think about it. It's just copper and steel. And steel is easy production, so is copper. It's the iron stuff that is just like so ridiculous to produce because you have to have more advanced production for it, which is weird. Of course, later when you start getting into other steel products, like the phase 2 products that you need, those things are expensive to make as far as like machinery goes, because you need the assembler and you need constructors, and that just kind of cuts the amount of resources that you're using every time you have to split those products up. So it can be a little tough, but whatever, no worries. Just kicking out some rotors, no worries. I think it should be enough. I hope. Okay, yeah, it only takes 10 rotors for the coal generator. So I'm thinking what we do here is put in another coal generator, and then we have a power bank of sorts. So we'll just hand make some stators. Since we have enough to build 55 stators, we should be totally fine there. Can this, oh no, it's gonna make my life difficult, isn't it? Oh, come on now. Oh, come on. Come on. Aha! I don't know why I wasn't using snap to guidelines. Okay. So coal is going to be relatively simple, right? That just goes like that. No problem. Water. That's going to be a little bit trickier. Let's remove this one here. And we'll remove this pipeline junction, and we're gonna swap it. So we're gonna do, let's see, logistics, pipeline cross junction. So it's gonna be like that, I think. And then we will add the pipeline MK1 back in, so that one's gonna go down to here. I definitely want to make sure that that has water, and we need copper sheets. I have some in the tractor, I think. Let's take a look. Yeah, we have plenty of copper sheets in the tractor. It's great. All right. So that's that. We essentially just need to take this pipeline junction and split it one more time here, so that'll go over there. And I'm hoping this is gonna pull water fast enough. I don't really know. Looks like the flow is all right, actually. Let's see. Yeah, this is not too bad. How quickly is this filling? This is full already. So we are good there. That actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Okay, I'm happy with that. And I think we can just connect this up here. So we'll just boop that on the snoot. There we go. So we've got our sixth coal generator in. That's looking good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we got 6 of them. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. So that should increase our power by 75. We're at 450 megawatts of capacity, and we're at 360 megawatts max consumption. So we're doing totally good. We're actually producing extra energy right now, and that's where the power storage is going to come into play. I really want to get some power storage over here, so that any extra energy we're producing is going to be saved up just in case we ever go over that line. We have a little bit of a buffer to kind of help us. So let's make a few stators, I think is going to be the way to go. Yeah, we've got enough product to make 55 stators. We're not going to need that many. I think I'm going to put like maybe 5 batteries. Well, actually that would be, no, it's 5 each, so that'd be 25 stators. It's about the halfway mark, half as many as we can make. Here's hoping that once we have all this power in, we're not going to have to rework this for a little bit. I mean, I know we're always going to have to come back and rework the power just because we're constantly adding machines to the whole system. But hopefully that'll give us a little bit of wiggle room for a while. 22, 23, come on now, 24, 25, this takes 9 work. Alright. So let's go into power here. We're going to need power storage. Ooh, I think we actually have, oh, it takes 100. Holy cow, it takes a lot of wire to make these. Jeez Louise. I mean, I guess that makes sense. It is a power storage system, so we'll put as many as we can in with the amount of wire that we currently have. We don't have a lot. Oh boy. We don't have a lot up on us, so we're going to have to go back to the old homestead and get some more wire, but that's fine. It's not that big of a deal. Excuse you, madam. That's my stuff. Well, apparently my wife is stealing my snacks now. This is fine. Okay, let's. We got 1, 2. We have enough for 2. Okay. We're gonna put in a couple of power poles here, and we will connect these up here. So let's do. That's gonna be 3, isn't it? Oh, there's 2 on that one, so this will be fine. Let's connect this here if I can actually. Oh my gosh, there. Get that. We'll connect this one to there, and this should connect to both of these just fine. Yep. There. Okay, look at them boys. These batteries are charging. Looks real nice. I'm happy with it. I'm happy. 0% charged. Okay. It's taking in 100 megawatts right now, which I guess makes sense because we're producing almost 100 more than we need. Yeah. Okay, and it's going to be about an hour until it's full. Geez, how much does this holds 100 megawatts? Wait, what? Hold on now. This is at a charge rate of 95.8 megawatts. Megawatts per hour stored charge. Wait, does it run all of the... Hold on, how does this run? Time until full, 59 minutes. Huh. So I guess it just takes the little bit of excess power that we have, but that doesn't make sense because it holds 100 megawatts, right? So it should be holding 100 megawatts. We're producing, what, 90 megawatts extra? So these should be charging within a few minutes. I don't know. I'm gonna let that go for now. Just live with that. I think what we need to do now is actually create a fine gradient all the way up to the top there. So let's work on that. Let's see, ramp 1 meter ramp here. Let's spin this around a little bit. We'll start it out like up on the beach here, I think. Actually, let's do this. Let's create a set of foundations up here that are going to be able to hold the truck station, is what I'm thinking we do. So we'll make this, what, 5 wide, maybe? And we'll just have that kind of run into the ground there. I'm going to have to move the tractor. I'm hoping this is going to be far enough away to make it not a steep grade. Okay, and then we'll do another one here. How large is the truck station? Let's take a look. Transportation, truck station. We need rotors. Okay, let's put in a few rotors. Ugh, jeez, hold on. I need to fix this. I can't. 4 meter? Ramp should be fine. Maybe. If I can spin this around the right way. Nope. Thank you. Maybe. Jeez. Can I, like, get this to sit right? Please. There we go. Okay. We'll zoop that across. There we go. Just makes an easy access point. Okay. Let's go make some rotors. We're gonna make some rotors. I know it's boring. I'm sorry, but rotors. We need these. How many rotors can we actually make? None. We're gonna need to make screws first. Yikes. Well, we're making screws. Again. For like the 4th time today. Totally fine. I think we needed another 10 rotors, if I'm not mistaken. So let's do 15 to be safe, and then once we build the second truck station over at the main base, we should have rotors being produced over there, so I'm not too worried about that one. Almost there. Well, almost to the point where we can produce all the rotors that we need. Okay, come on now, come on. There's 10. I'm going for 15, I think. I already have 11, so yeah. There's 12. Ugh, work faster, man. 14. Come on, just one more. 15. There we go. Now we can just make these rotors up real quick. That shouldn't take too long. Take a minute or two here. It's unfortunate that making these things is like watching paint dry. It's ugh. I'm thinking that we're going to need to do a complete rework of the iron facilities back at the main base. Just so I'm producing those items faster. Okay, so we have the amount of rotors that we need. Let's build this truck station and see if we can't figure a good way to get this thing to work. So truck station, is this thing massive? It's actually not. It's quite small. Alright, I'll take it. I'm not going to complain. Let's see. Yeah, I think I want it to be like right here, probably. Because the truck is going to have to pull up on the other side. That was a little... Okay, well, that's fine, actually. So I think the truck is going to pull in right here. Yeah, right under here, it'll be loaded. And then... Let's go ahead and connect this to the power system really quick. If I can get my myself together here. Okay, so that's good. We're just gonna have to supply this with materials. What do you mean zero per minute? Fuel consumption for a vehicle to finish its route. Oh, okay, so I'm not too worried about that on this particular station. Okay. Now we just need to set up the grade here. So foundations. Maybe we can get away with 2 meter ramps. It's not too steep of an incline. There we go. So we'll set these up all the way across because we want a nice wide ramp to get up there. And then we'll just go out. Times 10, come on. There we go. Yeah, I think this should be fine. Times 10, perfect. Come on now. 10, there it is. And 10, nope, nope, nope. There. Oh, this is gonna take a second. Okay, it's fine. We really need this anyway, because going up and down that hillside is just the worst. It's not good. It's bad. Okay, I just fell off. I need to stop doing that. So let's go up to the top of this here and see where that leaves us. Okay, so we're actually, I think we're well far enough out. I'm gonna go up 10 more. There we go. And just, it's kind of like a rinse and repeat thing, right? We do this until we get to the top. Or until we're even with the top, I guess. 10. Hopefully I don't fall off from this point. That would be not great. Okay, I just need to be really careful about where I'm standing. There we go. Looking good, looking good. That rock is going to be a menace to society. I can already tell. I'm glad we went with 2 meters, because I don't think ones would have made it. Still a little steep, but it should be fine. Getting down is not going to be the problem. It's getting up. Getting up is going to waste a ton of fuel. But it kind of is what it is. Okay. Get that up there. Perfect. Put that up there. Come on now. There we go. All the way across. Perfect. Perfect. It's looking good. Oh, are we gonna just barely clip this? Oh, we totally are. Dang, I'm gonna have to switch to 4 meters from here. We're just gonna go one row at a time from this point. Okay, so maybe if we just do the 1 4-meter grade and then do a 2 all the way up, should be good. Yeah, that should be fine, I think. And then we can even it out at the top and set it up with the hillside. Once we're up at the top, I'm not too worried about it. Like, we'll just flatten it out, make it even with the hillside here, or the cliff face, and then we'll be good. Okay. Yeah, that's good. And then we'll just do a 1 meter foundation across this here. So, boom. That, and then we'll just meet up with the edge. And this should be more than enough to get through here. Perfect. So that's not too bad. And then I do not have the fuel for this. Okay. We're gonna have to chop some of this out, I think. Because let's see, where is this gonna meet up with the road? Actually, so right here is where the road is gonna meet up. Yeah, I think going through this, it's gonna be the most efficient use of time and space. Maybe going around actually is not too bad. Right here. That 4 meter grade is going to be a huge pain and a waste of fuel. I should have started it back by 1 and then we wouldn't have had to do that, but it is what it is. Okay, so I think what we're going to end up doing is shipping all the steel resources into this. Where? are the inputs and outputs? Can I see that from here? I wish I could, this is, okay, so this is fuel. And these are all inputs? How does that make sense? Hold on. Let's delete this really quick. I want to go back and see what the input output looks like. Okay, so no, the ones on the left are inputs, the ones on the right are outputs. Okay. Let's actually move this like right here. Yeah. Oh, if I go into the build menu and just click on, oh, okay, I can see that. Interesting. I wish it would do that with conveyors. Okay, so we're just going to need to input some of the things into here, specifically pipes. But we'll worry about that once we have the other truck station done. So let's flip this bad boy around. And get that going. We're also actually going to need to do some stuff here real quick. Hold on, we need to reconnect this system. So we'll reconnect the truck station there. That's good. Open workbench. Do I have any? I do. We will take this. This way we can cut out any trees or anything that are blocking our path at the top. We're only able to get up to 20 miles an hour. 20 kilometers an hour. Oh boy, that 4 meter gradient is going to be interesting. Are we even going to be able to get up that thing? Ugh, I don't know. This is tough cookies right here. Slow going. Let's see what happens here. So we're able to make it up at about 15 kilometers per hour. Okay, that's not terrible. It's a little bit faster than running speed, I guess. Can I just run this over? Yeah, cool. We'll want the path to come up through here. So go through this little pass right here. Come down the dirt path. And that's going to lead directly into our base. So we'll essentially just take this path all the way back. Come around here. Go straight through here. And then we can put the truck station in here somewhere. Probably actually like right here. Yeah, we'll put it right up here and just kind of hug it against the rest of this stuff. So let's back this up a little bit. And we'll build some foundations in here that the truck station is going to sit on. So 2 meter foundations. Just going basically all the way across here. Yeah, that should be fine. It'll be better to have this all filled in anyway. So we'll push that all the way across. Boom, boom, boom. Very good. We'll push this straight across so it's nice and even. Nice and flat. Okay. That's looking good. And then we can do another truck station right here. I'm not going to have the resources for this. I can already tell you. But that's totally fine. Yeah, we're going to need some rotors. Hopefully we have some stored up here. Hey, we have 104 in here. Very nice. Not too bad. Okay, so let's build this second truck station in here. So we'll put this flip that around. There we go. I think we'll want it like right here probably. Yeah, right there is fine. And then we'll want to hook this up to power. So that'll go like that. Perfect. So we're going to need this to have a source of biomass. Or not biomass, biofuel. I think what we can do... Are these all functioning right now? They are. Or no, they're idle. Why are they still doing the animation then? It's weird. Okay. Let's see. I think what we'll end up having to do is move this system over there. How I'm gonna fit that, I don't really know. Let's take a look. We could probably put it up here on this hill. So if we take this, let's cut down this tree real quick. And we'll cut down this one as well. Just because it's kind of in the way. Okay, perfect. Cut these out. Let's build a little platform right here. So we'll just build a little foundation up here. We'll do 2-meter foundations. Let's see. That was not all the way across like I wanted it to be. There we go. Much better. This is gonna go like basically all the way up and hug that other set of foundations right there, yeah. It's fine. So this should be a large enough platform for us to get the job done here. I think we're gonna take that out. Do we have a corner? Architecture? No, we don't. Let's just build, yeah, a ramp right here. That way we can easily get up and down this thing. In fact, we might even build ramps right here too. Up against this. Yeah. Let's just do that. There we go. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay, so let's do. So storage containers, we're going to need 2 of them. It doesn't matter what side the input is on. Let's just put these in the back right here, I guess. So we'll put them kind of like right next to each other. Like so. Yep. And then we'll put in 2 constructors here. So these will be actually producing the biofuel. Floor is too steep. Okay, we need another foundation right here. We'll just zoop that across. There we go. Very good. 5. Put in the constructor here. So that goes there. We have another constructor here. Okay, and then we will put some MK3s in here. Boom, boom. Those are good. Okay. So those are going to be our two actual biomass production components. So that'll do that. And then we can put another, nope, organization. We can put an industrial storage in. And that's going to take the output from both of these. So we'll just kind of put it in the center right here, I guess. More or less, I guess. There's that. This one goes up to the top if it can make it. It cannot. Okay. Let's do this then. Kill that. Put in, okay, industrial storage. Let's just move this out a bit. It's okay if it juts out a little. Yeah, that might be better. Let's see. So yeah, that's not too bad. That goes there, this goes here. So that's going to be taking in all of the biomass that we're producing, and then we'll need another constructor here. So production, constructor. We could probably put it like right here. And we just need one of the outputs to go into this. Like so, and then this will connect up to the fuel input right there. Perfect. So that's going to be our fuel system. I'm going to need some coffee after that. Whew, that was a mess. Okay. Yeah, we're going to have this creating biomass from leaves. This one will create biomass from wood. And then this one here is essentially just going to create biofuel. So solid biofuel. Perfect. Coffee. Need the coffee. Okay, and now we just need to transfer everything over. So I'm just going to use this as a storage. We'll store all. Yeah. Sort that. Perfect. Okay, so I think what we'll do is come over here. We're going to grab, let's see, that is empty. So we can actually deconstruct like all of this now, assuming that it doesn't have anything in it. Yeah, that doesn't have anything in it. This has some stuff in it, so we're not going to deconstruct that just yet. We're going to take all this biofuel. That's a lot. Can deconstruct this. Can deconstruct this. Can get rid of that. This is empty, so we can get rid of that. Get rid of that. Cool. Is this? It doesn't have enough to produce anyway, so we're just going to pull that out. Alright, cool. You can get rid of all this. Take that out. Take that out. Does this have anything in it? No, it does not, so we can take that out as well. Boom. Boom. Perfect. Cleared up some space over here. Let's go. This thing was ugly and inefficient anyway. Alright. So now we're just going to have to remember to fill this station with leaves or wood, either one or both. And yeah, that'll be basically it for that. How much can this actually hold, though, is the question. Hold on. Oh, okay. It's only going to take in 200. Okay. Maybe what we should do, actually, instead of doing this, we will put a storage container here. Let's put it like right... Wait, what? No, no. There we go. Let's put it right here somewhere. I guess like right here is probably fine. Yeah, and then we'll connect this up like so. That way we have kind of a buffer, so when we're overproducing, it's not that big of a deal. Oh, I don't have the, okay. You know what? Logistics, conveyor belt, MK2s. Totally fine. What? Okay. MK1s maybe? Possibly? Come on now. Yeah, there's some clipping happening there. Okay. Dang, can I, like, can I actually run this? Wait, I don't have any concrete? Hold on a second. I think it's because I put all my stuff away like an idiot. But first we need to do this. Okay, you know what? If I could just get it together for 5 minutes. Put this in here. Which one of these is producing from wood? This is leaves. This one's wood. We'll put the wood in here. Perfect. Coffee. Oh, coffee. Okay. Take all of that. I really kind of want to get signs of some kind. That would be really good. So I can label things. Because I come up to some of these machines and just get so confused. Like, what am I putting into here? I don't know. If it's not completely automated from start to finish, which this one just can't be because I have to collect all this manually, it causes me problems. So, okay, let's do, yeah, that can go there. And then this will glide around this way and get into there. Perfect. So it's just gonna get clogged up, which is fine. Okay, and then we're gonna need a storage container here as well. So let's just do an industrial storage container. Right here. So this is gonna load here and here. Perfect. Now here's the question. Ooh. Actually, we need to set a foundation in here so that this is never gonna get stuck. So let's do that really quick. That's fine. I don't mind if it's hitting the pole. Okay. All right. We're good there. Let's get into this thing here. Oh. Drive tractor. Thank you. So if I drive up to this, oh gosh. So it just has to be in this thing? Okay. I think it's currently loading biofuel into the system. So if I start here, let's try doing this. So we'll do the record, start recording. We can exit out of there. So this is the beginning of the recording. Yep. We're gonna come out here. Go up this path. Most of this is gonna be exactly the same. So we'll go up here. Go straight over to where our other set of foundations is to get down to the steel production area. And I think for right now, I'm going to literally only be using this to transport steel to and from. So we're going to take this up here. Go around this way, if I remember correctly. Yep, up through this center point here. Around this, back down here. Yeah, we're going to want to come as close to the edge here as possible so we can actually get into the truck station down there. There, perfect. We are perfectly in line. Okay, let's slow her down a little bit here. Oh boy, nope, we're not turning off. Okay, open record menu. Do I need... Let's just say load cargo. It didn't load anything in because there's nothing to be loaded, but that's fine. We're going to take this back up to the top. I don't know if you actually have to load the cargo first and then go back through the path to the other trucking station. So I just did that just to make sure that it's not going to mess anything up if we didn't. But then we'll go back. And close the loop, essentially. So we'll get up here, perfect. Just try and do this without crashing into anything here. Oh, that's not great. That's some yikes right there. This guy is gonna be a pain in the... Okay, no, we're good. Take this around. We'll go this way here. And we want this path back to be as similar to the path there as possible. Oh geez. Oh boy, fishtailing. It's totally fine. Okay, we're coming in, and I think I want to go around a little bit here, so... Oh, this is gonna be a little shaky, but if we come in here and just straight up turn right there. Perfect. Okay. So let's load that path. This is the loop that I want. Yeah. So that's the path that we're going to be using. Let's save the path. Steel transport, I guess. Transport. Save. Okay. Now, if we enable autopilot, this should end up going back and forth. But before we do that, I'm going to disable this. We're going to go back over here and set up the actual steel, like filling the truck station with steel. It feels like this went from trying to... what am I looking for? It feels like this went from trying to get into phase 2 to setting up infrastructure. Which, I mean, I guess makes sense because we really need this infrastructure to get into phase 2 properly. So we might as well just set all this up right now. It just makes sense. I wish I had cut around this like this. This is gonna... I don't know if it's gonna mess up the tractor when it goes through there, but we'll figure it out. I'm hoping that this will auto load. I don't really know if it's gonna work or not. Okay, let's park this here in the truck station. So that's good. That shouldn't go anywhere, I don't think. And then what we'll do is push some of this steel production into that facility there. So is this not set up to make anything? Or is this not even hooked up to power? Is that what the problem is? This is not hooked up to power this whole time. Okay. That was a me thing right there. Yeah, let's just see if we can't connect this here. That should be fine. Okay, so I know 2 of these are creating beams, so those are creating beams. This one is also creating beams? Is it? Yeah, it is. And then the other one is creating pipes. So I think what we're going to do is actually deconstruct these 2 storage containers and replace them with a single industrial storage. So we'll just kind of put this in the center here, like so. And let's see, maybe this one goes up here and this one goes into the bottom there. Like that. Perfect. And then we can just take this all the way over. So if we grab this one, come across. Okay, actually, let's set up a foundation really quick for this to set on. We'll just put 2 of them up here. I don't think they need to be 4-meter foundations. They can be 2s. Yeah, that should be fine. We'll set 2 of them up right there. Set this one up here. So this one's going to go up on top of this foundation here. Like so. And then it's going to cross over all of these lines here. Okay, actually we're going to need another foundation right here. Let's do a 2-meter at the... Yeah, I think that'll be alright. So grab this one. Yep, that's perfect. And then we can take this all the way over here. What is it clipping into? Just the foundation. Okay, I'm not too worried about that. So let's say it just comes over here. And then this goes into these input slots right here. Perfect. So that's the first one, and then we just need the other 2 to merge and go in. Or actually, we don't even need to pull out 2 separate slots, because this is only going to load a certain amount at one time. So I don't think it truly matters. I think what we can do is actually just start this out high and run it across. So we'll take from the top one there. We'll just go straight up to like right here. Run this across. So this will come down here. And I think connect with this one. Yeah, right there. So that'll sit on top of this foundation. And then it'll come down here. How far can I actually take this? Right there. Okay. And then this will run into the top slot up there. So here's the question. Is this automatically loading? Let's say the vehicle waits 2 minutes. Can I confirm? 0 stacks per minute. So why is this not transferring items over? No, I want this one to load. Yeah, so this is gonna load items. And the other one will unload items. I don't know why it's not loading though. Do I have to press load cargo for this to work? So if I enable autopilot for this and just hop off of it. So it stops there for like, okay, 2 seconds. Now it's gonna take off and go to the other station. Let's just follow this guy. I knew I was faster than these things. I'm faster than this thing walking sideways. That's honestly kind of pathetic. Okay. I really hope this works because I do not want to have to manually take this path. It should though, because like, why would you have auto pathing if that's not what that's for? Wouldn't make a whole lot of sense. Let's just get up to the top here. I want to see how it does around this bend. Hopefully it doesn't flip itself. If I have to redo this whole thing, I'm probably going to cry. So it comes up here, goes around. It does just fine, alright. It's not perfect, but it's alright. I think this was such a cool like idea. I hope it's executed well, because the whole autopilot thing and the transporting of goods is such a good idea. They worked wonders with that one. I'm really happy with that actually. Just as long as it works properly. Oh, now it's outpacing me for sure. Yeah. Does its little skitter there. Yep. Oh, okay. Had to reverse for a second. That's fine. Okay, we're coming across. Coming up to the truck station here. Oh, it is outpacing me again. Look at that. You fast, boy! Alright, and it crashed. Please tell me you're going to get yourself out of this situation. Thank you. Oh, perfect. Oh, don't flip. Oh, God. This is so sketchy. Okay. Now it's waiting at this node. Is it going to unload? I want this to unload items. Incoming transfer rate 0 per minute. So it's going to go back. Let's see. No, I want this to... Can I, like... have this wait, like, 2 minutes here as well? Does it have to be in a specific format? Confirm. Hopefully... No. No, I don't. 2 minutes. Set wait time. Wait time for this node. Why? So maybe I have to do it in seconds. So let's say 2 minutes would be 120 seconds. Does that work? Yeah, 120 seconds. Okay. So we'll have this wait for 120 seconds here to unload. And then on the other side, it'll wait for 120 seconds to load up. I'm going to have to hop into it and pull all the resources out of it, but that'll be fine. I might even be able to reduce that time, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, because these can move quite a few stacks per minute. So, and I don't expect to have more than 2 or 3 stacks per trip available for it to transport. Should wait there for a minimum of 30 seconds. It's probably going to be taking off. Yeah, it's already taken off. Does it have anything inside the workbench? It totally does. Very nice. Oh man, that's awesome. Okay. Let's put these pipes in here and take that stuff out and sort that inventory. So I want to change the wait time on this. I think it probably pulled all the stacks that were available out of it. But I guess we'll see how much is left in there. But we know for a fact that it's automatically grabbing stacks and releasing at the other end. So that's really good. Let's see. Grab this here really quick. Okay, so yeah, 67 items per minute. So I think, yeah, this one's gonna have to be at, well, let's do 3 minutes in total. So we'll do, let's see, 180 seconds. Confirm. So this is gonna have a wait time of 180 seconds. That's 3 minutes. So that should be 60. Let's see, 60 items per minute, right? 65 items. Hold on, I don't remember how much it was. Uh, 67 items per minute. So now I have to do math. 67 times 3 is 201 items. So we can essentially take a full stack with that. The question is, how much is this taking in by the time it gets back here? Because it's got over 100 items in it. Maybe we should actually do 4 minutes. So let's see, 180, 240 seconds. Yeah, let's have it be here for 240 seconds. That's gonna be 3 minutes. So that should be, yeah. That should be a good amount of items to transport at one time, I think. And then it should be resupplied with fuel at the other end every time it goes over there. So I think it's only taking like 3 fuel per trip, so we should have plenty of resources available for that all the time. We just have to hook the fuel center up to power. So the fuel production center. Coffee. Gotta have my coffee. It's on its way back. Let's see how well it did unloading here. If I can grab this thing. Hold on. Wait. Don't run off now. No, wait. Okay, it's empty. Perfect. So it definitely had enough time to empty out. And it actually emptied its entire inventory out, which is cool. I needed those resources out of there anyway because I want that to only be transporting what I want it to transport. I think we should probably have this around the same time, assuming that it's transferring the same amount of items. Oh no, this one's transferring. Holy crap. This one's transferring 1900 items per minute. Why is the other one so slow? Okay. Well. Yeah, I think we're gonna put some of this stuff in here real quick so I can pull the items that I don't want in there out. Yeah, like this stuff, I don't want this in here. I only want this to be holding steel. Steel products is basically it, so we'll pull all this out. Boom. And then we can set up a personal tractor to transport ourselves and stuff back and forth, but I'm probably going to end up using a hypertube for that, if I'm being totally honest. This one needs to be, let's see, 180, I think, is going to be fine, because this thing is actually emptying out super fast, so I'm going to go down to 30 seconds for this one. So let's see, we're going to keep an eye out for it, see when it comes back. But that looks like it's working perfectly. I'm super excited about the item transport. That's awesome. I love it. Okay. Now we just need to hook this up to power if I can find a free... Oh, here we go. Yeah, that one should work. Okay. We'll just set this up like right here. Methinks. This is not going to have enough, I don't think. Well, actually, it should. It should be just enough. There's 1, 2, and then it just has one more, which it needs to connect to this one here. Perfect. Now we just need to make sure that this system stays full of resources, and we should be totally good. I mean, we have plenty in there, so I'm not too worried about it right now. But, yeah, that should be awesome. Now we're just going to wait for this thing to make its final loop and see how it does here. I wish I could see where exactly it is in the track, but well, maybe, do we have a map? No. Sort that, yeah. Let's see, we're just kind of waiting for this truck to come back. It's going to take it a few minutes here. I think the amount of stacks that it moves per minute may be based off of how many stacks it has to move per minute, because it goes up to a certain amount. Actually, let me look at that really quick. Transportation, truck station, can move 120 stacks per minute to from docked vehicles. So yeah, I really only need this thing to be sitting for about 30 seconds per station. I think that number that we're looking at when we're looking inside of the truck station that's already built is based off of the amount of items it has to move. So I kind of want to slow that down, or like lower that time frame quite a bit to where it's only sitting for a minimum amount of time per stop. That way it's moving items rather quickly. Oh, why is that, what is happening there? Oh, okay. It just flicked green. Wait, what? Is that last coal generator not getting the amount of resources that it needs? That's not good. Oh, let's take a look. Let's take a look. It's coming back up. Let's see how many items it has in it here. Yeah, it's not going very fast, so I should be able to catch it, no problem. Oh yeah, it's definitely able to transport quite a few items per minute. Let's see what the items per minute is now. So it's 81. Why is it 81? Right? That doesn't make any sense. 81 items per minute. Let's move this down to like 30 seconds and see. 30 seconds. Set wait time. Confirm. And while we're waiting for that to come back, we will take a look at this powers, because I don't know what is going on with these powers. Why are you red? What is happening? You have plenty of coal, I know that. Yeah, it's this one. What is it missing? It's missing water, of course. It's just this one that's missing water? Should I put a flow regulator in here? Probably. Let's do logistics. Pipeline pump. Yeah, let's do that there. And we'll connect that up. Yeah, we'll connect it to this one. Why not? So that should help to increase the flow of this. Let's see. The max flow rate is 300 meters cubed. If these each take 50 meters cubed and we have 6 of them, 2 of them is 100. So it should be using its maximum consumption. That's probably why. Yeah, I think what we're going to need to do is yeah, we're going to need to set this up a little bit differently. At least the water part of it, we're going to need to set up a little bit differently. Change that up a little bit. This guy has got to go. Sir, I'm going to need you to get off my property. This is my land. Get. Bye. Okay, that was mean. Okay, we're just going to wait for the truck to come in one more time and see how it goes. It's still at 81 items per minute. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. I love this so much. This is so great. The truck station is the greatest. I can't with this thing. It's amazing. What's even better about it is we can set these up literally everywhere and just have resources transported in from all over the place. Let's see, does it have any items in it? Why are you not loading more? You have more to load. I mean, it's moving quite a bit at one time, so... Oh, sorry, dude, I'm in your way. I know. My bad. Be gone! Oh, that's amazing. I love this. Okay. I'm super happy with this truck stop here. I know I've said this before, but the sheer level of automation that you can achieve in this game is fantastic. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, what I'm thinking is we actually disconnect this junction and disconnect all this piping here. It's going to kind of cut into our battery a little bit, but that's fine. We have a 65% charge on at least one of our batteries, so we should be golden for a few minutes here. Okay, we'll take this out. Cut. What? Why can't I? There it goes. Get that. Get this. Get that. Okay, so let's do another pipeline here. So we'll do pipeline. Grab that. Take it up to the top. We'll actually probably have this one connect up right. Wait, is it too long or something? Invalid aim location. Pipe is too long. What if I do it like up here, I guess? And then have it come from there up to the top there. Yeah. Okay, and then we can disconnect this one here. And we will reconnect it to this singular pump. That should help to distribute the water supply a little bit. Let's get up to the top here and take a look at it. Oh, come on now. Oh, come on now. Ah, that hurt me. I knew it was gonna hurt. Okay. We're gonna have to climb over. Climbing, 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 climbing. Going up. Okay, can I connect this to... pipeline is too long. Okay. Ah, that was terrifying. Let's do this here, and then we will have this connect to this. That should be, yeah, good. Okay. Now we just need to get back down. Please. That was fine. It was fine. And we need to hook up 2 pumps to these. So there's already a pump on that one. We can hook up a pump to this one as well. How far is that going? All the way up to the top, okay. And then we need this to be hooked up to a power source. So let's disconnect this pump here. Like that. We will put in another power line here. So we'll do that, and then power line there. And then this can go to this pump here. We'll put in a new pump since I apparently didn't finish the one that I was already putting in, which is fine. Yeah, we'll put that there. And we will hook this up to this little power supply there. Perfect. Hopefully that'll help the water situation. Maybe. Although this is all going through a single pipe here, so what we might need to do... No power. I don't see why that matters. This is not a consumer. What is this one? Is this one getting water? This one's kind of getting water. Yeah, okay. We are going to need to do a thing here. Actually, this one's taking over. This one is taking on too many is the problem. So what we can do is cut this junction off. Like that. And we will split this one up. This will take 3 and that one will take 3. This is the way I think I want to go with that. So we'll just put a junction here. And we'll put a pipeline in this one here and connect that to this pipe. Perfect. Yeah, that's filling up plenty fast. Oh yeah, this one's good. Okay, and then this one is looking pretty good as well, actually. Yep, that one's almost full. Okay, so we know that these pipes can easily handle about 3 of these, which makes sense because it's only 150 cubic meters. Wait, why is this one not getting water? Does this not have power? Yeah. Should be just fine. These are both getting water, just this one's not. Why is there no flow to this last one? 0.2. Okay. Oy, oy, oy. Well, the current consumption is around 262, so it's not so bad. This one's really more for backup than anything at this point. We're still actually charging the batteries, although I do want this to be functioning. I don't know why it's not. This is getting water, correct? I don't see why it wouldn't be. The rest of the pipes are. Yeah. Head lift. Flow rate is 122. Let's climb up here and see if we can't shimmy across this pipe. See what's happening here. Okay, so this is at 118 meters cubed. This is, oh jeez, okay. This is at 100. Yeah, it's literally just this last pipe that's not getting water, and I'm wondering if it's the input, or like, is the input not fast enough for what it's supposed to be? Hold on. Because like all three of these seem to be working, right? Oh no, one of these is not. Oh yikes. It's still getting enough water to function for the most part though. So maybe we need 2 pumps per set. What is the flow rate? So the maximum flow rate of this is 600 meters. Wait, why is this not on? Why was that set to standby? Yeah, this is only producing 120 cubic meters per minute, and we're needing 150. That's why it's not working as we're intending. Okay. We're gonna need more water pumps. That's fantastic. I think if we just had one more, so let's see, wait, hold on. We're needing a total of 300. Each of those is 120. It's 240, so we're 60 short. So if we just have one more water pump leading into both of those pipelines, we should be totally fine. So production, water extractor. Let's put this out here, maybe? Can I? Oh, we need heavy plates for that. Yikes. Okay. Hold on. This is probably the last thing that I'm gonna do for this stream here. But I want to make sure that this is all functioning properly. We made a lot of good progress, though. I'm really, really proud of the progress that we made, actually. There's quite a bit going on, a lot of moving parts, so I'm happy with where we're at. We still have more foundries that we need to put in, more steel production that we need to make, and we need to get set up for getting into phase 2, but for now I'm pretty happy. Let's see, we need enough screws to make quite a few. So I think if we go with like 15 reinforced iron plates, should be fine. There we go. 15, and we'll make those up real quick. Hopefully that's going to be enough. It's the screws. Screws are always the bottleneck. Always. Okay, so that's good. Let's see. Yep, we only needed 10, so 15 is perfect. I probably have some lying around here somewhere, but you know what? We're just not even going to bother. Look at that thing. Chugging down the hill, moving my steel for me. I love this thing. I honestly can't get enough of it. It's amazing. It's so good. Alright. Water extractor. See if we can't sneak this in here somewhere. Yeah, right there is fine. That's good. It's gonna draw a little bit of power from the system, but it's not a big deal. Let's see. Let's grab this here. Connect that to this bad mamma jamma. And we will do a pipeline. So let's go logistics. Pipeline MK1. Slap that on there. We need this. We need this to have its own junction kind of in the middle here. So let's actually put junctions on these. This is interfering. Okay. Can I put this over here somewhere maybe? No. Oh boy. This is going to be a pain. Let's put it right there, I guess. Yeah, right there is fine. And then this one will go here. Like that. We'll connect these two across, I think. I don't know if this is going to work. I really hope it does, though. Okay, and then we'll put a junction in between them here. So, let's say like right here. And then we'll have a pipeline going into these. So this will be a pipeline here. Ah, geez. I have to get into the water to make this pipeline, so it's kind of messing me up. Okay, let's try this here. So there's the pipeline. If I have that come down right to here, that's fine. And then snake into this water pump here. Perfect. So let's see. Okay, yeah, that's pushing water now. Now we just need to check and see if that's going to be enough for all of these coal generators to have the water they need. Wait, what? Wait, why are none of these getting water now? What is happening? This is getting water. Why is this not getting water? I think maybe we need another pump on this one. Dang. Let's just connect this right here. We'll disconnect that and connect this to that. This can go into here, and then this one can go into the other pump that's right there. Yeah, okay, that's already good. Okay, so now this should be getting water. $66 per minute. I'm gonna need 3 fluid tanks here, aren't I? Why is none of these are getting water though, straight up? Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that. I don't know what to do about that right now, but I know it's a solution that I know we can come up with a solution for it. Even if I have to put in a fluid buffer for each of these, I might even end up doing that. Just having it split off and have a fluid buffer for each, or just having each of these pipelines take up 2, so having 3 fluid buffers might be the way we end up going. I'm not really sure. But for right now, I think I'm going to call it a day. That is going to be it for me, guys. I appreciate you guys watching as always, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.